So I put a couple more Easter eggs in Weeko, but one of the things I did was I programmed him so that he can do a full diagnostic check of his whole internal system. So he will run through a bunch of commands to test a bunch of different things. But one of the Easter eggs was from the movie War Games. Weeko War Games. Yeah, pretty cool. So, but he can run his own diagnostic check too. So I actually got that set up. He's got red lights in his eyes, which will turn on, um, and then as he runs through different things, his ultrasonic sensor in the front will actually turn on for a split second and blink. He tests the drive system. He disconnects from his logic board and reconnects just to make sure everything is working there. The logic board has an internal speaker too, so it will say when it's back online. So I'll give you guys like a really quick rundown, let it roll through its system, and you can see kind of what he does. Weeko, run diagnostic check.
Running diagnostic check.
So the little red lights came on. It's good to go.
Internal memory check clear. Zero corruption found.
Yeah.
Drive system clear. 100%.
Ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic collision system clear. 100%. Cognitive vision system check. Diagnostics. 100%. AI intelligence system. Diagnostics. 100%. Test main logic system disconnect. Test main logic system connection. Main logic online. Main logic system connected. Exiting diagnostics. Full diagnostics complete. All systems are online and functional.
Yep. So it's a good way for me to be able to know like what's going on or if there's a problem in a certain area as I'm working with him. But other than that, he's doing pretty good. Weeko, show phrase list. So the phrase list is just some of the commands that he can do, and just things I can shoot off really quick if I want to, and just kind of a nice reference for me if I forget certain things. Like for instance, when I say, Weeko, say goodbye to YouTube. You didn't hear me. Weeko, say goodbye to YouTube.
Goodbye for now. Subscribe to see more of our content. Don't forget to leave us a comment and smash that thumbs up button.
All right, well, you guys take it easy. Peace out. Weeko, hide phrase list.